Alright, first thing you're going to do is unpackage all your parts for your extractor. And the first thing you want to do is attach the top frame to your side rails. So you're just going to fit these in just like so. Then you're going to grab your 1/4-20 screws and nuts, a couple washers. Put a washer on the bottom side, thread those through, washer on the top, and then thread your nut on. Just get them finger tight. Another washer, nut. Then you're going to take your Allen wrench and a 7/16 socket, and you're going to start tightening these guys down. And you want to do a nice hand tight. You want to get them fairly tight. Next thing you want to do is assemble your speed handle. Make sure you don't cross thread the threads. Just like that. Then you're going to take your Acme rod, the whole side you want down and through, right through your bushing. Then attach your speed handle. Just like so. At this point, you want to put it up on its side. And you're going to attach your coupler next, the slide screws. Take another nut. Tighten that guy down. And at this point you're going to take your rod and thread or put your anchor, slide it through the rod as you drop it in. You're going to find the perfect hole you need for your socket lamination. Then you're going to attach your socket lamination to the anchor with the supplied screws, like so. And this is compatible also with a pediatric socket. And then you will attach your lamination socket to here and your pipe up on top of the coupler and attach with another screw. And then you can put your end caps on the ends of your extractor. And that is your extractor. The plate on the side is to attach into your vise, or you can mount it vertically.